Welcome back. This video is going to be page 7 of Exploring Kentucky's Mighty Oaks. The mighty bur oak. The bur oak is an iconic tree in the bluegrass region of Kentucky where it grows wide and stately in farm pastures and in towns and cities. This tree species has lived for millennia in eastern North America where it grows north into eastern Canada and south into Texas. Bur oak has been important both to our culture and in our ecosystems, which we explore further. We will learn a bit more about how the tree was named, where it likes to grow, and why it is important to us. Bur oak's Latin name, Quercus macrocarpa, comes from two Greek words, macros equals large, and carpos equals fruit. We call it a bur oak because its acorns have fringes on the cap and look like the American chestnut fruit. The bur oak has the largest acorns of all the oaks worldwide, where some acorns grow larger than a line. Bur oak's leathery leaves can grow to be over a foot long and have large, rounded lobes rather than pointy tips like other oak trees. The tree can grow to be 80 to 100 feet tall, with a trunk over 8 feet around and a sprawling crown that can reach over 100 feet wide. This tree can live for hundreds of years. Some of the largest bur oaks in the country grow right here in the bluegrass. One of these mighty bur oaks grows on former Governor Brereton Jones's farm in Woodford County. This tree's trunk is over 8 feet wide and stands over 100 feet tall. The large root system of the bur oak has allowed this tree to survive in prairie ecosystems with long periods of drought. Mature bur oaks also have thick, wrinkly bark that can help the tree survive prairie and grassland fires. In Kentucky, bur oak is found most commonly in a savanna ecosystem, which is made up of large scattered trees, native prairie grasses, and shrubs. You can find bur oak trees in wild areas, but also in pastures on manicured horse farms and in our cities and towns. Bur oak grows quite well in towns if it is an adequate space to grow. This tree is tough and adaptable and tolerates cold weather, poor soils, drought, and hot sunny conditions. You can find bur oaks scattered along the edges of cities and towns, as well as in parks, cemeteries, along streams, and in old, well-established sprawling lawns and yards. It makes an excellent park tree because of its enormous crown. In our towns, this tree is important for wildlife to help prevent flooding, to improve air quality for shade, and for its natural beauty. Bur oak is not only important as a living tree, but for wood products as well. Native Americans use the roots, bark, and acorns to treat heart and digestive problems, broken bones as a remedy to help close bleeding wounds. Its wood has been used for hundreds of years by native peoples, settlers, and in our present-day wood industry. The wood's strong, hard, rot-resistant properties allow it to be used for building materials, flooring, boats, fencing, furniture, and bourbon barrels. The oak is a common symbol of strength and endurance and has been chosen as a national tree of many countries around the world. In 2004, the oak tree was designated as the official national tree of the United States of America. And in 2018, people who live in Lexington voted the bur oak as the city's official tree. They chose this tree because it represents longevity, strength, natural history, and the culture of the bluegrass region. The people of Lexington are proud to call bur oak their city's official tree. Okay, let's look at the images down below a little bit. It says pictured from left to right in the top row. This is a bur oak tree in Lexington. Photo credit to Dave Leonard. The second one is a bur oak acorn. Photo credit to UK Horticulture. The third picture is a bur oak in Woodford County. Photo credit Brereton Jones. And the fourth picture is a bur oak tree trunk. Photo credit to Dave Leonard. Sorry about that. And in the bottom row, this is the bur oak leaf that we read about. Here is a bur oak acorn from the side view, where the top one is from the top of it, or the bottom. I guess the bottom. And the last one is a twig. And all three of these are photo credit to Ohio DNR. And in the next video, we will be reading pages 8 and 9.